So over here on the left side, you can see that I got some notes right here with tags attached onto it. So if I were to go around and click on, let's say, for example, information right here, then the notes with information tag appears right here. So I can click on this to open, and you can see that this is what you have right here. And then what I can do to edit out the tag is click on the three dot button right here, that is access the more actions button, and click on edit tags. So once you do that, over here you can see that you can go around, remove out the tags that you don't like right here, or click on the checkbox button right here and uncheck it and press save right here. So once you do that, what happens is that tag is updated over here. If I were to go around over here onto edit tags, then what you can also do is you can check out the tag right here and click on save. So once you do that, what happens is that the tag has been updated. Let me just go around and add in a new tag right here, named tutor right here, and click on create. Once I do that, a new tag is added, as you can see right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the three dot button and click on edit tags right here and select tutor. So once I do that, you can see information wiki and tutor is here. So you can click on the save button right here, and what happens is that the tag is updated, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can go around and then modify out the tags right here. So what you can also do is you can right click on a particular tag, and you can see that I can go around and rename out this tag right here. So from information, I can rename it to info and press done. And what happens is that all of the tags right here that is attached to a note is attached to different notes are updated as well. You can right click, and over here you can see that you can remove this particular tag from all notes as well, and you can click on remove tag and they will be removed out right here. And you can go around and delete a particular tag over here as well, or move this tag right here, as you can see. So move this tag under tutor and it becomes let's say a subpart of the tutor tag right here, just like this. So you can go around over here and then move the tag or delete out the tag right here, just like this as well. Or you can go around and create a sub tag as info right here. So I'm just going to go around and say info2 and create. And what happens is that another sub tag gets created under the info as well. So you can see that this is how you can go around and modify out the tags inside of Evernote. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.